EPA works with local partners like Berks Nature, the Philadelphia Water Department, and the Partnership for Delaware Estuary, who are all part of the Schuylkill Action Network, which is a partnership founded by EPA to protect drinking water sources in the Schuylkill watershed. We work with farms in Berks County to install conservation practices like liquid manure storage, stream bank crossings, barnyard and stormwater controls to prevent nutrients and sediments on the farm from running off into the Saucony Creek, which is a main drinking water source for Kutztown. The Saucony flows into the Maiden Creek, which provides drinking water for Reading, and the Maiden joins the Schuylkill River, which is a source of drinking water to over 1.5 million residents in Philadelphia. Since 2003, EPA has been working with our local, state, and federal partners in Berks County because clean water is critical to maintaining a vibrant agricultural economy that produces food for our communities and clean drinking water for our residents.